In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a website in System.io. We are going to walk through the process in a simple, clear order, so you can follow along without getting lost. If you are watching on a screen, open your System.io dashboard so you can mirror what you see. First, navigate to the Sites section. In most views, you will find this in the main menu or under your website-related tools. Once you click into Sites, you will then want to select Websites. This is the area where System.io. Now we'll select Websites. IO organizes the websites you create, separate from other types of pages or funnels. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the correct section, because the next button depends on being in the website's workspace. Next, click Create. This is the action that starts a brand new website project. After you click Create, you should see a form that asks for basic setup details. Go ahead and enter a name for your website. Choose something that helps you recognize the site later, especially if you plan to create more than one. After that, select your domain. This tells System.io where your site will live, and it is an important step for making sure visitors can reach your pages correctly. Now that your site basics are in place, you will choose a path. The path helps define the URL structure for where your site is hosted. Keep an eye on the preview or any URL information shown on the screen so you can understand what the path will do. When everything looks correct, you are ready to move into the website design stage. After entering your name, domain, and path, you will select your starting point. You can either select a template or choose to build from scratch. If you want a faster start, selecting a template gives you a ready layout that you can customize. If you prefer more control from the beginning, build from scratch is the option to choose. Whichever you pick, the key is to align it with how quickly you want to publish and how much customization you want to do right away. Once you have chosen your template or decided to build from scratch, click Save. This step confirms your site setup and creates your website workspace. After you click Save, take a moment to let the editor load fully, because the next step involves dragging elements into place. Now you can customize your pages. To do this, drag and drop elements from the sidebar into your page. These elements might include sections like text blocks, images, buttons, and other page components. As you drag each element, look for the placement indicators so you know exactly where the content will go. This is where your site starts to look like the version you want. So focus on building a clear structure, headings, supportive text, and calls to action where appropriate. With your initial elements in place, you will use the Pages tab to add or edit your site structure. The Pages tab is where you manage the different pages within your website, such as your home page or additional pages you want visitors to access. Click into the Pages tab and check which pages are currently available. If you need to change the order or edit page settings, this is also where you can update them so the navigation makes sense. When you have finished arranging and editing your site, the final step is publishing. Look for the Save Changes option and click it to publish your site. This step is important because it ensures all of your updates are live and accessible to visitors. After you save changes, it is a good idea to verify that your site updates appear as expected, using a preview or checking the public view if your setup allows it. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.